What I have here is a LG Dual Inverter air conditioner, or LG Smart Inverter air conditioner. In other countries it's called Dual Inverter. Now this is a 7.1 kilowatt unit, and what it does have is this particular unit has a smart diagnosis. So phone diagnosis. If you have a look, if I just go a bit closer and just focus in, if it can focus, that is. So there we go. We've got just zoom in a bit. Smart diagnosis. Okay, so how the smart diagnosis works is, if I just zoom out, the first thing you need to do is you need to install an app, and the app is called LG AC Smart Diagnosis version 1.1.4. Now this is no longer available in the App Store, so I had to download from a third-party website like this one. And when you download it, it'll say, do you want to download from this website? And I said yes. So once you've got the app, what you need to do next is you need to open this Smart Diagnosis app like so, and then whilst the app is open, like I've got here, just so I can just zoom in a little bit, you then need to, I've got the remote control here also. Now on the LG remote control it says diagnosis just here, and you have to hold this room temperature button for 5 seconds in order to make it work. And what actually happens is that when I push this button, this LG air conditioner here, this LG air conditioner unit, when I point the remote at it and push that diagnosis button for 5 seconds, it will emit a tone, a series of tones, a bit like a dial-up modem from the early 90s, and that information will then get transferred to the phone. So I'm going to first of all start off this phone, and you need to have this phone near the air conditioner. Now I'm just going to hit the receive button. So I'm just going to hit the receive button, and you can see it's counting down. Now with this remote, I'm going to hit the diagnosis button for 5 seconds. And then you can hear that tone of noise, which is being recorded. You need to put the phone near the device. And that tone of noise from the air conditioner has now been sent as a series of signals. So once again, I push this diagnosis button. So if you have a look, currently what I've got here is intake temperature of the unit, 22.5 degrees, no error code, normal operation. Because it's in heating mode, the coil inside the evaporator or indoor unit, as you can see, indoor information, is 39.5 degrees. It's heating, heat mode, fan speed auto. So the fan speed is on auto. Now look at the outdoor unit. Intake air temperature, so outside is cold, 8.7 degrees. The condenser of the outdoor unit of the split system air conditioner is at 5.9 degrees. That's the coil temperature. So obviously it's extracting the heat. So as you can see here, 8.7 degrees is the outdoor temperature. The coil temperature is 5.9. It's extracting the heat from the condenser. The compressor, the dual inverter, the dual rotary compressor, the discharge temperature is 60 degrees. So it's compressing the gas. Even though it's 8.7 degrees outside, it extracts the heat from the air through refrigerant, compresses the gas 60 degrees. Currently the compressor is running at 27 Hertz. So you times 27 by 60 seconds, because there's 60 seconds in a minute, and that gives you the revolutions per minute. Now the LG compressor can run as slow as 10 Hertz all the way up to 120 Hertz, so which is pretty good. A lot of split systems run between 20 to 100 Hertz, but the LG can run as slow as 10 Hertz. The electronic expansion valve pulse is 258, so this controls the orifice of the air conditioner. Non-inverter air conditioners have fixed orifice or a TXV valve. The outdoor brushless fan motor is running at 680 RPMs. The input voltage, mains, is 248 volts. Input current is 5.6 amps. And the DC link voltage is 325 volts. Now, split system air conditioners nowadays have PAM, which is PAM, pulse amplitude modulation, and PWM, pulse width modulation. Now, inverter and air conditioners have a reactor, or basically like a power factor correcting circuit, and that rectifies the AC voltage into a DC voltage, and it may boost the voltage to say 400 or 300.